Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit and tap on display section. After that, scroll down again, choose advanced and tap on font size. Lastly, swipe left or right in order to adjust it, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!